With the COVID-19 crisis upon us, video has become the most important communication tool your business has. Video conferencing technology is easy to use, but someone has to agree to the video call for it to work. If your company doesn't have a plan for engaging prospects digitally beyond having a website and Zoom, your company's missing out on sales to your competitors who have a system. Video is the most powerful tool your business has next to face-to-face meetings. It doesn't replace your sales team, it makes them more successful. And we're talking about how to use video to increase sales in a recession, and that's coming up next. Have you ever felt like you knew a celebrity even though you'd never met them? That's one example of how video helps build relationships. Video allows you to get more information across faster because it's not just what you say, but you can also engage them with what they see. Here's how to get started using video as part of your sales process. First, create a series of videos for your website. The first one should be on your homepage. Next, create a video for each of the other pages on your website, ideally for each product or service that you have. Make sure you create a list of these videos so your sales team can use them in their sales emails and presentations. Next, use social media to release weekly videos to stay in front of your target audience. And make sure that you're sending these videos along via email as well, because you want to stay in front of your email list. You don't need a big audience to get sales from video on social media. With video, your message is always on point and never has a bad day. I don't know about you, but I've messed up more than one sales presentation. There are a lot of online gurus who say you can build an audience and make $1 million just like them or this other person. And while that's true, it's hard. And those gurus don't know how to run a business. They know how to get people to watch videos. They're not sales experts, they're experts at getting people to watch their video content. Building an audience takes years that you don't have. You need to use social media ads to make sure that your videos are in front of the right people. If you like this, I have two things that can help you. One is a remote directing service where we help you create videos no matter where you are in the world, and this is a service we've offered for over 5 years. And it's perfect for the COVID-19 world that we're currently in. Use the link in this post to learn more. The second is our Business Video Quick Start course, where I'll teach you how to quickly create your own videos with your smartphone. In this training, you'll learn how to write your scripts, record your videos, and edit with free software. Click the link in this post to learn more.